Right, here's an update on the secret room. So here it is. I installed the doorknob, and it's a defiant doorknob. The keys are here, and the keys for the secret compartment, which is that right there, are right here. So we're gonna open it up. Before we open it up, this is super strong. I'm gonna open it up. Insert the key through here, doorknob first, and insert here. This is the inside. Pretty big. This is the ultra wide version. Right, let's get inside. Take these keys with me. Right, so we're inside the secret room. Let's go and lock it. Oops. How can I lock this? There we go. Right, so this right here is my key. Here's the secret compartment. Right now it's open, but this is a cool lock. There is a secret compartment in here too. See? I put these two pieces of cardboard triangularly to give it more support, give the door more support. And to lock it, you just like that, and you insert the key like this. It is approximately 9:30, and I'm doing this right now because I have to put my toys in here. Okay. There you go, now I can't open it up. And back there, there's like holes in here still because I have to fill them. And then back here, I'm supposed to put a beam right there from the top to the bottom, and then right here too. The same thing I did to my garage. And then just insert it. And then just take the key out. You want to open it. Oops, wrong key. It's the same key, just that it's a bit tricky to lock it. Alright, let's go ahead and get out.